I just spent $500 on a whole bunch of tech gadgets. These items range from $1 to a whopping $300. To make things even more interesting, I bought these items from a wide variety of popular online stores. The last item is so big that I have to keep it downstairs in the garage, so stay tuned to see what it is. Anyways, let's get started. Anyways, for this $1, oh, it's not this MacBook. It's actually this. And what this is basically a webcam cover for your laptop. So how it works is it attaches to your laptop, and what it does is it gives you a cover for your webcam that you can easily slide on and off, and it looks so much better than that ugly tape that people have. So next up we have our $10 item, and it's a bomb. 3, 2, 1. I'm kidding. So this device claims to remove insects like rats, cockroaches, grasshoppers, and your annoying sister that won't leave you alone. Okay, maybe not the last part, but definitely the first 3. Anyways, let's try it out in my garage. Alright, it's on. I'm gonna leave this here for 30 minutes and let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
So it's been 30 minutes, so let's check up on this device. Bro, there's a spider right there. This is a scam, don't buy it. Next, for our $50 item, we have this pen. And no, it's not just any random pen. This pen has a hidden built-in camera inside of it. This is garbage. So next up, we have our $100 item. So what this item is an air conditioner. It looks like all you have to do is add water. Alright, so I got it plugged in. It turns out it lights up blue, which is pretty cool. So let's turn it on. Alright, so I've been letting this thing run for 10 minutes and it's actually blowing pretty cold air. By no means can it cool down a room, but it genuinely does feel good if you're sitting right in front of it. Next item. So for the next item, I got the $150 toaster. What makes it special is that it has a built-in touchscreen. Instructions. So here's the toaster itself. It looks like all I have to do is press the touchscreen, open it, turned on. We got all the icons here, so let's test it with bread. Turn it on, white. Let's try number 4, push it down. It didn't cook it how it looked in the pictures, but it's pretty good. For some reason, this toaster smells like burning plastic. I don't know if that's normal or not. Next up, we have the Temu iPad. That's right, for the low price of $200, you could have your own iPad. Let's unbox it. Alright, so we have the iPad itself, and that's it. Why is it in this ginormous Ziploc bag? It's a little dirty. Of course it's a used iPad, it's not a brand new one. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright, so the iPad turned on, and it looks like it's one of the older models. I think it's an iPad Air 1st generation, which is from 2013. So I don't think you could really do much on this one. Let's check out the camera quality. Alright, so the quality is pretty bad on this thing. Yeah. I guess the only thing you could really do is use a camera, play music, a text message or whatever, and use like Safari. Let's check out the new item. Last but not least, for our final item, we have this electric scooter which costs a measly $300. Alright, so I got the scooter assembled and it looks pretty good. It's sturdy metal, and yep, it maxes out at 19 miles per hour. It has a touchscreen, headlights, a bell, and brakes, of course. So that's pretty cool. I almost forgot, but it also has an app that you can use to lock and unlock the scooter. Alright, so that scooter was pretty fun. It unfortunately does not have any shocks in it, so you could feel all the bumps in the ground, which is quite unfortunate. I think they have a higher model with shocks. But either way, it's pretty fun to ride. And so that's it for today's video. Be sure to comment down below what your favorite gadget was out of all these, and be sure to subscribe, and yeah, and I'll see you in the next one.